Hi, this is the third recipe I am posting from the state Himachal Pradesh, and because of my health issues I am not able to come and talk to you guys. Sorry for that. Let's grind together cumin, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon sticks and 1 black cardamom. Let's grind it to a fine powder. This is split black gram, 1 cup dry, which I have soaked it for about 4 hours. Washed it properly, and now I'm going to grind it to a smooth paste. But before we grind, let's add the powder we made. A half teaspoon of turmeric powder, a quarter teaspoon of fenugreek powder, and some salt, a quarter cup of water, and let's grind all this to a smooth paste without adding more water. And this is the consistency we needed. Remember, dip your hands in water every time you make dumpling. Now in a pot of boiling water, we are going to make the coin size dumplings from the batter we made and drop it into the boiling water. We are going to repeat this until we finish the batter we made. You can either steam them or make it this way. People in different regions of Himachal Pradesh make it in different ways, so either way is fine. We are going to boil this for about 15 to 20 minutes on medium flame, and then strain it. And we are not going to throw this water because we are going to use it in the same recipe later on. 2 bunches of spinach goes in the pot. This is washed and cleaned. We are going to cover this and steam it for about 10 minutes on a very low flame without adding any water. Spinach has its own water, so when you leave it on a low flame, it will cook by itself. As you can see here, it's done. We are going to let this cool down and then grind it into a puree. Now again, let's make powder from fennel seeds, brown cardamoms, green cardamoms, cloves, cinnamon sticks, black pepper, coriander powder and turmeric powder. Let's grind all this into a fine masala powder. Now mustard oil in a kadhai or any non-stick pot or pan. Let's bring it to the smoking point and slowly add the dumpling or the vadi we made. We are going to fry these until they turn golden on high flame. Takes about 10 minutes to fry them. They are almost done now, as you can see here. We are going to remove all of them from oil and keep it aside. We are going to remove half of the oil from this pot before we start adding masala. Now switch off the flame and let the oil cool down a bit. Drop in few dry red chilies, asafoetida, the masala powder we made, degi mirch. Degi mirch is a chili powder which has very mild spice, so we are going to add chili powder later in this recipe. Let's add the spinach puree, the spinach which we steamed and then made it into the puree. We are going to fry this spinach well in the oil, at least for about 5 to 8 minutes on medium flame. This step of frying spinach is very important. It's very well fried now, and let's add the whisked yogurt. Let's fry all this together again for about 5 minutes. We have to continuously keep stirring this masala until it is reduced a bit. When masala starts leaving oil, that's when we know the masala is fried well. A tablespoon of salt goes in. This recipe is very unique in taste and flavors. Time to add normal chili powder. As you can see, the masala is starting to leave oil, which means the masala is ready. Frying spinach puree and then frying the yogurt in it is very important step. So please do not skip this step. And it's time to add the sepu vadi we fried. Look at the beautiful green color of this curry. Let's add a cup of water. This is the same water we boiled dumplings in. Mix it well. And 1 more cup of water goes in. We are going to give this all a good mix. And then cover it and cook for about 10 minutes on low flame. And exactly after 10 minutes, it looks so beautiful. This recipe is also one of dham recipe, which means it's cooked without ginger, garlic or onion, and it is enjoyed mostly with rice. I'm really amazed by the simplicity of this recipe. Though the vadi is made in UP, Bihar, Punjab, Odisha, also in Tamil Nadu and some parts of Karnataka, this vadi recipe is completely different. I really recommend you to make this and find out the difference. Now let me plate this for you. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon and remember me in your prayers. Thank you so much.